Now that I've learned, I just want to do it with coffee. Here I'm using 100 ml of coffee. I will add 1 tablespoon of yeast and I will mix very well until the yeast dissolves completely. In a container, add this mixture. 1 cup of sugar, 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon of butter and stir very well. Add 200 ml of milk. Two cups and a half of wet flour. 2 tablespoons of chocolate milk. Half teaspoon of bicarbonate. That's the ideal point of the dough. Mix everything and then pour into a greased form with flour and butter. Bake at 356 degrees for 40 minutes. After this time, put a knife on the sides and in the middle of the cake to unstick. Unmold on a plate or board. Our cake is ready and look how amazing it is. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. If you prefer, you can make a chocolate syrup and pour it on top. To get even better, this was another little recipe from the Pour in the Kitchen. That strong hug until the next time and thanks for watching.